Hey guys, back with another video, and today we're gonna be showing you how to get like free stuff, but it's not actually real. It's actually just to pull a prank on your friends. Just make 2 tabs on Roblox on each side. Go to catalog on both of them. I still have no idea how my computer's slow. That's the problem. It's easy. So you pick an item right here, which one you want. It's just to pull a prank on. Nothing real here. How about the Quarterblocks, the speaker? Right here. And then you go to the other catalog. This time you go to you go by, oh my god. So go to clothing. What the heck is wrong with this computer? Okay. And then you click right down there where it says price. Click free. And then pick a free shirt, any one. I'm gonna pick Mario Tux. People actually think this is real, but it's actually not. So if you see this get, you right click it, click inspect. And then right here you see this coding here. Click edit as HTML. You copy this. Oh my god. You copy this. And then you exit out. And then you exit this whole page. Okay. Now this is a page where you have to get the thing. So you inspect by. You go to the same thing. This time you have to add HTML and just erase all of this. And then you click Control V to paste all the other text. And then here you see like all this, the Mario Tux, like data item name. You have to change the item name into the thing right here, the thing that you're finding. That's right. I'm sorry guys, but my brother is just talking here. I have no idea what he's trying to do. Okay, so when you see this type, just write the type as, oh my gosh. Oh god. Just write the type is, yeah, the type is package. So the item, you have to look at this item ID. Don't look at the data product ID. You have to look at the item ID. You erase this, but you have to put in the code on the top right here. You have to copy that code. Data item ID right here. Okay. So you get rid of this. God. And then click Control V. And then you're all set, but not now. We're not done yet. It does get right here, but right here you have to change this too. So you're gonna change this right here. It's gonna say free. You can do this in inspect element stuff in front of your friends if you want. And this is the most like important, like it's not the most important, but you have to get rid of this little Roblox thing. So right click on that, and then you see the first element that pops up, like right here. Oh my god. This one right here. You're gonna right click it, but this time you have to delete the element. Exit that out, and here it is. This is when you get to click get. But this won't give you anything, it's just fake. You can pull a prank on your friends or something. You click get. It says, would you like a package? Carblox speaker from, it's supposed to say Roblox, but I forgot to do that, but you're fine with that for free. Click get now. They'll say purchase completed, but you're not actually gonna get it. It's actually just to pull a prank on people. You won't have it in your inventory. So yeah, that's how you do it. But yeah. Oh,